So when building out these AI projects or AI and IoT projects for customers, you've got to really consider what the challenges are that you're trying to address. One example we had is we had a mine in Africa, and what they wanted to do is, one, modernize their infrastructure locally at the mine, the infrastructure platforms that were sat there. So they wanted to have high performance systems locally to be able to support that. The second thing they wanted to do is they wanted to be able to take body cam data and store significant volumes of 4K body cam data into a centralized system and be able to run analytics on top of that to look at the video, look at the personnel data, spot trends, those kind of things that sit on top of that. They also wanted to be able to take the plant infrastructure that was there and take sensory information out of that and feed that into a big data lake and be able to run predictive and prescriptive analytics on that to try and work out what will happen, so predict when things are going to break, or actually start thinking in the future and trying to plan for things that they don't know is going to happen. Finally, they wanted to actually take sensory information or vehicle routing information and actually find more effective ways of routing the vehicles on the site. You know, big loaders carrying huge amounts of load, you can imagine the fuel that burns through those. If you can simplify, make 10-20% efficiencies and savings of the routing of those, you can save significant money. So we helped them by putting a platform in place on the ground to support that in Africa. And as part of that, we're enabling them to be able to drive those technology innovations in the AI and IoT space to be able to modernize that mine beyond where it is today, and make it that next generation mine and build it as a repeatable blueprint that they can deploy across all their mines.